Now that I've told you a little bit about the basics of custom fields and advanced custom fields, let's jump into getting started with advanced custom fields. What we will cover in this course is installing ACF plugin, creating new field groups and new fields, creating field content, and displaying fields in your theme. We will also have 1 to 2 small projects I will walk you through. Now let's install ACF in your WordPress install. Alright, before we start installing ACF, I want to tell you a little bit about the theme that we will be using for this course. You don't have to use this theme, but if you want to follow along step by step with the way I'm creating fields with ACF, it is probably good to use this theme. It is called Foundation Press, and I will put a link in the course description for this video. Alright, so let's start installing ACF. So I'm in my WordPress install, and you go to Plugins, Add, and go to Advanced Custom Fields, and it should be the first one to pop up, and then we hit install, and then we want to activate it, and then that will bring us to the plugin page. And as you can see, when you install advanced custom fields, you will have a little tab called custom fields.